Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a simple guide on how to install the Python interpreter Pycharm in VS Code to your own computer. For this specific instruction and guide, I'm using a Mac Mini M4 running Mac OS 26 or Mac OS 26 Tahoe. But if you're using Windows, the steps should be very similar. So you can try this if you have Windows or Mac OS, doesn't matter. So the first one is install Python. Before you can code Python, the programming language, you really have to install Python first. Python is the interpreter. Without this, you cannot code Python at all. Same goes for other programming languages like Java and C. So first one is install Python. You have to download the installer. You just have to go to the official Python website, just called python.org, and download the latest version for your operating system. It can be in an exe format or a DMG format for macOS. Next is run the installer, run the executable file. A window should pop up, and the crucial step is add to path. Before clicking install now, make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. This makes it so you can run Python from your command prompt or terminal, which is essential for any development task. After that, complete the installation, click install now, and follow the prompts and steps that you can see on your screen. The installer will also install other useful tools like pip or the IDLE, a basic IDE. This exists on my Mac OS. I'm not sure if it's the same with Windows. And after that, verify the installation. Open your command prompt with Mac OS or command prompt or the CMD in the Windows operating system. So now, Python is already installed on my computer. You can just demonstrate it here. In Mac OS, to verify the Python installation or to check the Python version, use the command python 3 space -- version. In Windows, you just have to type python space -- version without the number 3. Just have to hit enter, and as you can see, I'm running Python 3.13.5, and with that means Python interpreter is now active in my operating system. I can even start coding Python here directly on my terminal. Again, I just have to type Python 3. But for Windows, you just have to type Python. Hit enter, do a simple print statement here. There you go. As you can see, successful printing using Python. Let me just close that. After installing Python, you can now install IDE of your choice. For this one, it comes with a guide on how to install Pycharm and how to install VS Code. For Pycharm, you just have to download it from the official JetBrains website and download the community edition. The community edition is free and open source, and it's perfect for beginners in most development tasks. Run the installer as usual, pop-up should appear, follow the steps. And the next one is choose installation options. One of the installation option screens, you'll have several choices. It is recommended to check the following. First one is create desktop shortcut, add open folder as project, add launchers to directory to the path, create associations for Python files. After that, just complete the installation. And here's a sample screenshot of my installation here. I already have that, as you can see. We just search that here. Yeah, here you go. Pycharm already installed. The next one is VS Code. It's very similar. You just have to go to the official VS Code website. Download the installer. If you're in Windows, the exe. If you're in Mac OS, the DMG. It's even compatible with Linux if you're into that. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions as usual. It is recommended to accept all the default settings, including the option to add VS Code to your system path. This lets you open folders and files directly from your terminal. So here's the screenshot of it running. Open VS Code and install the Python extensions that is necessary for it to work. Using VS Code, a simple print function to test. Let me just demonstrate that now. It's here. I'll just do a simple print statement again. Just hit run. As you can see, printed here. That verifies that the Python installation and IDE installation all worked out. Thanks for watching.